Now question number 3, divide 12.98 by 4. There is little change. First of all, same process, remove decimal, 1298 upon 100 because 2 digits are in decimal part, divided by 4. So first of all, this sign be converted into multiplication and reciprocal of 4. Now this digit 1298 is not perfectly divisible by 4. So we'll divide by 2 first. 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are, and 6 2s are 12, 2 4s are, and 2 9s are 18. Now 649, it is not divisible by 2. So now we have the number 649 upon 200, and we have to convert into decimal. Already I have told you when we have done, I think, problem sums, this conversion can be done in 2 ways. First, we can make the denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 by multiplication of denominator by any number. And second, we can do direct division, 649 divided by 200. In this way we can do. So 200 3s are 649. Now we can use 0. When we use 0, at the same time we'll use decimal. Now 400 plus 200 to the 490, again 0. Now you can use so many zeros. 4, 204s are 800, again 0, 5000. Now we have 3.245, this method, but this is long method. One alternate method already I have told you. Suppose we have the number 649 upon 200 and we have to make denominator 10. We cannot make 10 because already more than 10. This is 200, again 100. If we want to make 100, 200 again, more than 200. If we make 1000, so to make it 1000 as denominator, we have to multiply by 5. Now 205s are 1000, but if we are multiplying denominator with 5, so numerator also will be multiplied by 5. So multiply 649 with 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 4 2 3. Same. Now 3 zeros are there at denominator place, so we should have 3 decimal places. 3.245. Which method you feel easy, you can do. It's your wish. You can do by dividing or you can do by making same denominator. This method will be easier for you. So next, second part. Second part is 36 by 0.4. This is very easy. 36 divided by 0.4. 36, it is whole number, divided by 4 upon 10. 36. Now change into multiplication. 10 by 4. 4 9s are 36 and 9 10s are 90. Very simple. Then third part of the same question, 20.4 by 6. So first of all, remove decimal by 10 divide by 6 by 1. 204 upon 10. Division change into multiplication. While converting into multiplication, reciprocal of divisor. Now 6 3s are 18 and 6 4s are 34. 34 by 10. It can be reduced, but we are not reducing because we have to use decimal. 3.4. This is the answer. Sorry, but this question we have already done. This is the third part of question number 2. We have repeated. So third question of the third part of the third question. This is repeated. This is the part question number 2. Now third part of question number 3. 30.94 by 7. So first of all, remove decimal, divide by 7 by 1. Now 3094 upon 100 multiply 1 by 7. I think it can be reduced. 7 4s are 28. 2 adjust with 9, 29. Again 7 4s are 1, adjust with 4, 2. 442 upon 100. 2 digits are there at denominator, so 2 decimal places will be there. 4.42. This is the answer. Next, fourth part, 7.75 by 25. This is very simple, you can do. And same as fifth part, 11.2 divided by 16. This is also very simple because it is perfectly divisible. 16 7s are 112. You can do. Now we are going to start sixth part. Sixth part, 1.07 by 2 because it is not perfect divisible. So first of all, remove decimal. 107 upon 100 divided by 2. 107 upon 100 multiply 1 by 2. Again we have denominator 200. Now it's your wish whether you can divide it 107 by 200 or you can make denominator with 110,000. So 10 denominator we cannot make, 100 we cannot make because already 200 is greater than 110. We can make denominator as 1000. So multiply by 4. So denominator is 1000. Again we multiply by 5 to numerator also. 200 multiply by 5, it's 1000. Again 107 multiply by 5, it will be 535. So 1000, there is 3 zeros. We should have 3 digits in decimal part. 0.535. This method you can opt, or you can divide it in this way. 107 by 200 is your wish. So you can continue any method. So next, seventh part of the same question. Seventh part is 24.66 by 12. So in first step we'll remove decimal, divided by 12. 2 1466 multiply 1 by 12 upon 100. Again, it is not perfect divisible by 12. So it can be divisible, I think, by 2 first. Rather, you can, you know the divisibility test. It can be divisible by 3. How can we know it is divisible by 3? Sum of digits 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 12 and 6, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So we can reduce it by 3. So 4 3s are 12 and it is divisible by 3. 8, 2 and 2. Again with 2, 4, 1, 1. Again 411 upon 200. Denominator already. Again we have 200, so multiply by 5. We can make denominator 1000. 411 also multiplied by 5. 5, 4 5s are 20. So 2.055. This is the answer. Next, 8th part. It's your wish. If you want to divide by 200, so you can do. It's your wish. As you want, you can do the same. 8th part, 6.2 by 248. So 62 upon 10 divided by 248. 62 upon 10 multiply 1 upon 248. So 62, it will be 31 2s are 62. 1, 2, 4. Again it will be divisible. 31 4s are, so it is 1 upon 40. Now we have to make denominator as 10 or 100. 100 we can make or 1000 we can make. So 10 we cannot make. For 100 there is no one to make it. Multiply by 40 is 100. So if we multiply by 25, it will be 1000. So denominator and numerator both will be multiplied by 25. So 25 upon 1000, 0.025. This is the answer. Revise all these questions properly. Complete 3 questions in your notebook. Rest question we'll do in our next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.